Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn poem next poem The Pulley written by George Herbert. Yesterday we have seen the first stanza of the poem is when God created man, he had a glass of blessing and he poured that glass of blessing on the man. Okay. Now that means what had contained that glass of blessing that we are going to learn in the next stanza. So strength first made a way. And that glass of blessing first it contained means first God gifted to the man strength. Okay, which quality means it's a quality means God gave the first man the quality strength means when man come in this world with the means man come out from इन दिस मतलब पहले हम जब इस वर्ल्ड में आए तो वर्ल्ड में आने के लिए हमें पूरी स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत पड़ी. ओके, मतलब दैट्स वाई गॉड गिव द फर्स्ट गिफ्ट टू मैन द स्ट्रेंथ. ओके, देन ब्यूटी मीन्स देन God gave the second quality to man, the beauty flowed means beauty. For example, when baby born, okay, that time we can say how cute that baby is, means how beautiful that baby is, means that the second quality beauty. Then God gave to man next quality wisdom means knowledge. Okay, for example, when baby is growing, after that means he is able to become a wisdom. Okay, he is knowledgeable means that baby become knowledgeable means because he identifies who is my mother, who is my father, who is understood means that knowledge God give to the person or man. And then honor, and after that baby become a means youth. Okay, that time he become the honorable person means he get the job. Okay, means that from that job he get the honor, and then from that job he means it gets the happiness means pleasure. Okay, means like this way these are the qualities means God gave from means that glass of blessing contain these quality: strength, beauty, wisdom, honor, and pleasure. Okay, when almost all was out, and God gave almost means most of the qualities God gave to the man, and God made a stay. But God kept means when nearly all gifts had been God gave to the man. Okay, God gave to the man, but one when God stopped. After that God means God made a stay means God stopped there, perceiving that alone of all his treasures. Okay, means perceiving means see means noticing become conscious, and he noticing means God notice that all the treasures means valuable things means he gave God all the valuable things. Okay, rest in the bottom lay, but God one gift is remain in the bottom of the glass. Okay, in the bottom of the glass, and that was what was that? Rest. Okay, that in the bottom of the glass there was one gift God not gave to the man, which is rest. Okay, which is rest means here satisfaction. Okay, means that remain in the bottom of the glass, that God not means God stopped for a while and he noticed that all these valuable qualities. Okay, and after that he kept one in the bottom of the glass, which was rest, which was satisfaction. Okay, for if I should, said he, bestow this jewel also on my creature. And God thought that means God said thought that if he bestow means he give as a gift to means if he gives that gift this jewel also on my creature, means that rest is very valuable. Okay, rest is very valuable, means God thought that if he gave that means remaining gift to God, that valuable gift to his creature, my creature means man, means God, man is the creature of man, means if he gave the jewel means it's a precious valuable things, contentment, rest, which is the precious valuable thing, rest. Okay, then he would adore my gifts instead of me. And what he do, means man would adore means he love very much, he love all these gifts instead of me, means what man would do, he would love all these gifts instead of me, means instead of God, and rest in nature, not the God of nature. And what he do, means he rest in nature, means he love though God created the nature, means he rest in that nature, he rest in that nature, he become restlessness. Okay, and then so both should loser, and maybe both should. Okay, means creator and the creation both should be loser. Okay, both should be, God and man finally lose to each another. Okay, to one another, because of that means God give that gift, that precious gift to man, maybe that time both should be loser. Okay, means it's the, see that the line tells us about the so both should be loser to be, means that line tells us the figure of speech inversion. Okay, inversion, because this content of this line is, it is not proper. Then next, yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with repining restless. And means so God let man means remain all the means retain all the gift, means he give the all the gift, other gift to the God, but together with them he left but kept him with repining restless, means he left man restless and continuously anxious and dissatisfied, means he left the man, he kept the man, means continuous restless and anxious and dissatisfaction. Okay, dissatisfied, rich and weary. Okay, means let him be rich and weary. Weary means here, see meaning, weary means very tired, means he kept the man restless, very tired means restless. Okay, and always be dissatisfied, because he did not give the man that precious gift, and that's why man become always tired and restless, always dissatisfied, always anxious, means always worried. Okay, continuously he kept the man worried. Okay, repining restless means continuous worried or continuous anxiety due to dissatisfaction. Okay, because man was not satisfied. Okay, let him be rich and weary, that at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. If goodness did not lead him, if means that goodness of man that did not lead him to the God, did not lead him to the God, but weariness means that restlessness or that continuous dissatisfaction, that may toss him to my breast, may toss him to my rest. These lines are very important. If goodness means that goodness of man did not lead him to the God, lead him to the God. Okay, but that but he thought that means that man's, if the man should be rich with the means whatever he gave him the gift, but he should always remain tired and restless, because he always working for that, understood, for the wealth. and God means at last means if the quality of goodness did not lead him back to the God, and after that means means God thought that he become rich because of gift, but then also he should come always tired and restless because he would not means God not did not give him the satisfaction, and that's why he always tired and restless, and because of that may toss him to the breast, and maybe that lastly he turned to the God. He turned to the God. Okay, back to the God's hurt. Why? Because he tried to be at last he tried to be find the satisfaction. He tries to be find the satisfaction. Means उसको रेस्ट नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, तो हमेशा रेस्टलेस रह गए वो क्वालिटी. ओके, मतलब यहाँ पोएट ने one side there is he become rich, and on the other side he become tired, very another side he become tired. मतलब इंसान जो भी मैन है उसे इतने क्वालिटी देने के बाद भी मीन्स सम पीपल दे आर थैंक्स टू गॉड, बट सम पीपल सारी चीज़ें मिलने के बाद भी दे आर नॉट टर्न टू द गॉड. ओके, दे आर ऑलवेज dissatisfied. Okay, after means because of that to find the satisfaction he would turn to God. Okay, he would search the satisfaction. For to search the satisfaction he would turn to the God. Okay, like this way this poet tells us about the means how he lifted the man towards him. Okay, that poem means to the help of this pulley. Okay, means God lifted the man towards the means with the help of that pulley towards the God. Okay, towards the him means towards the God, toward means he lifted to his devotee towards him. Okay, with the help of pulley. Like this way this poem, there is many figure of speech in this poem. We will learn afterward. Thank you.